You can easily print, email or download court-ready versions of law reports and unreported judgments where they are available. If you want just one item, click on the PDF download document link on the right-hand side. If there is no link, there is no court-ready version, so you can only print, save or email in HTML format. To email the item, click on the Email button and select the Download Document Attachments Where Available option and enter your email address. You can email a document to up to 3 people. If you want more than one item, we recommend storing them in the folder system, as you can print, email or download all resources together. Click on the folder icon and put your documents into an existing folder or create a new one by clicking on Choose a Folder. Click on the Create New Folder button and give your folder a name. In this example, Cases, to add more items to this folder, just click on the folder icon and select a folder. When you are ready to print, email or download, return to the home page and go into your folder. Select all items and choose the Print, Email or Download button. For printing and downloading, click on the 3 dots next to the Print or Download buttons, as you need to choose the full document attachments where available each time. When downloading, a pop-up box may appear. If it doesn't appear, look at your browser bar and check that your pop-ups are not blocked. When the files have been downloaded, you can place on your desktop or drop into a drive such as a flash drive or shared drive.